Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Today we are in Cobbs Quay Marina based in Poole Harbour and we're going to be doing a walkthrough on a Karnic CS700. We've done a few videos on the Karnic range with Fire & Design Marine. Today's a slightly different one, it's a slightly older model, but it's still full of features and let's show you what this has to offer. So starting off, we're on the pontoon. I'll give you a quick spin and we are looking at what is going to be a wonderful seating area out on the water, and you've even got the anchor nicely hidden away. And I think this is going to be a brilliant little day boat, even with speakers and cup holders, and you can see the nice high railings to give you nice support and the walk around down the side of the boat to take us round into the boat. Now the engine is trimmed up at the moment. It's a Suzuki 250 horsepower engine, and with that being the case, the seat does have to come forward, but when the motor's all the way down, this seat you'll see will slide once I pick the levers up at the side, that is, and that slides all the way back into different positions, and you can see these little holes in the ground. That is for the handles to go in, and that will create brilliant room for seating. However, if we had the seat all the way forward, like so, the backrest will move, and that will create a brilliant looking out space for facing backwards then. Sorry, I'm struggling with the one hand on the camera. There we go. And that is going to create a brilliant space for looking straight out the back of the boat, which with the engine down, it's got a brilliant diving platform both sides, and it even has these doors, which I think is a wonderful little feature. So when the seat is in back, it's nicely kept nice and secure, stop anyone from running around the boat. Even, you might see just next to that door, we've got a shower. That's brilliant. Just stop you from bringing any seawater into the middle of the boat. Cool. Well, as we do a quick spin round then, what else do we have on board? We've got these side panels. What they do is they pick up, slide out and fold down. That turns into a great big seating area, which if this was slid all the way back, you can see there's a hole there. That's for the table to go into. And that is going to create a perfect lounging space for having some food on board, even with more seating area just in here, folding down like so. This boat has full of features like so, and it just gets even better with a sink area underneath here with that fold out tap. And if we pick this up, even has a grill on board as well. They've really made the most of all the features. With that all folded away, it looks nice and neat, even gives a little bit of room for a bit of preparation. Got a cool box underneath, and as we come forward, it takes us to a double helm seat, both with individual bolsters. So you can sit however you'd like as you're cruising along from the helm, which this is the view that we've got when we're sat in the helm position. And if we're looking down, we've got the Garmin screen, steering wheel with that single Suzuki throttle control. Brilliant. It really is a lovely boat. Now if we open up the cabin and we step on down, we've got a slot in the cabin for that table to sit in again. So you can have dining down here out of the sun. And I also believe there is a plank that lies across that turns into an infill cushion, and that will become your bed in the evening, which is a very nice design. Now if we take a step inside and we give you a quick spin around, we've got a little preparation area with a fridge as well, with even more storage, and we even have a toilet on board with a sink, which is perfect to stop you from having to go for a swim. So that is it. That is the Karnic CS700 If you're interested in this boat or something very similar, head over to boatmarketplace.co.uk, see what we've got for stock for sale at the time, and you never know, you might find your dream boat. If you've enjoyed this video today, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, everybody.